Team! Back to base! Back to base!
Roger! No, Dr. Smith. Delay that order. Hindi ho kami babalik dyan.
Hindi niyo matatalo ang Beast Fighter nang hindi pa kayo nakapag-vault in!
No, Dr. Smith, kung babalik ho kami dyan, mas marami hong masasaktan sa camp. Or worse, baka mamatay pa yung mga tao. I have a duty to perform. Okay? Kayo, team, sige. Kung gusto yung bumalik, magpapaiwan ako dito.
Kuya, hindi. Samahan kita.
Pati ako, kuya. Walang iwanan.
Ako rin. Hindi kita iiwan, Steve.
Richard, bakit hindi pa kapag-volte ng team?
Commander, na-compromise na ang electromagnetic force. This is now the right time na magsama-sama ang buong mundo to fight together. We are faced with a tough enemy. Pero pwede pa rin tayo manalo. Kausapin mo yung buong mundo na mag-unite tayo, we fight together, and we will win.
I will do my best. God save us all.
Thank you, Commander.
Team, here's my plan. Targetin natin yung aparato sa head niya. Feeling ko, doon ang gagaling yung anti-electromagnetic wave na yun. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Maximum thrusters! He's right behind us!
Alert! The vault system is non-responsive. Alert!
Natalo ko rin siya. Panalo ang intensyon mo, Zul.
Voltes team!
Doctor, talo na ba tayo at ang Voltes team?
No. Engage autopilot protocol. Bring them back to base.
Yes, Doctor.
Incoming flight to CBF. Clear all runway.
Alert! Alert! Wake up, Little John! Little John! Gising! 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 Whoa!
Prinsipe Zardos. Tingnan mo. Umaandar muli at lumilikas na ang kanilang mga sasakyan.
Tiyak kong babalik na sila sa kanilang kampo.
Zul, pasundan mo ang Voltes 5 kayo na masuka. Bilisan mo ang pagwasak sa kanila para makapagdiwang na tayo.
Prinsipe Zardos, kailangan mo nang bumalik na Mazuka para maglikom ng lakas at enerhiya para makaatake ulit.
Buti nag-work ang autopilot protocol. Sergeant Major?
Yes, Doctor.
Bring the Voltes team sa medical bay.
Attention to the chief medical officer. Please report to the medical bay.
Dr. Smith, Dr. Alonso here. The team is alright. Wala silang major injuries, only minor bruises and burns. They were just pretty shook up.
That's good. Please take good care of them. Bantayan mabuti at wag na wag mo silang papalabasin. If you have to strap them down, please do it. Thank you, Doctor.
Yes, Doctor. Nurse Harvey, patingin ako ng latest release nila.
Chief, engage emergency response CVF engineering. Now, repair ang vault machines immediately, please.
Repairs ongoing, Doctor.
That's good then. Thank you.
Dr. Smith, proximity alert. May na-pick up na naman ng radar. Mukhang paparating na naman ng mga Brazilians.
Activate shield barrier.
Dr. Smith, defense protocols engaged.
Battle stations.
Red alert. All crews to battle station. Red alert. All crews to battle station.
Medical team, report to Deck 5.
Dok. Ano ho nangyari? Ba't ho nandito kami?
Your vault machines almost crashed.
Kailangan ho namin bumalik sa laban, Dok.
Relax, Lieutenant Commander. Hindi ka pa pwedeng tumayo. None of you is in any condition to get out of bed.
But, Doc, the fight is still ongoing. We have to leave.
Lieutenant, huwag muna kayo gumalaw.
Pabayaan mo ako. Pabayaan mo ako!
Guys, let's go! No.
Guys, please, let's hurry. I'm under strict orders from Dr. Smith that dito muna kayo.
Kaya kong lumaban, Doc.
Ako rin.
I'm sorry, Steve, but I have to do this. Computer, dispense sedative except bed 1.
No! 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 No!
Medical team report to 3. Bed 3. Bed 4. Bed 5.
Anong in-inject niyo sa kanila?
Trust us, Little John. Para sa safety niyo rin to. Okay? Nurse Harvey, pupunta muna ako sa kabilang wing ng medical bay. Nurses, as per Dr. Smith, we have to secure the patients, okay?
Yes po, Doc.
Call me if they wake up.
Yes po.
Engineering crew report to 11.
Anong ginagawa niyo sa kanila?
Ito dyan, sa mag-alala, hindi namin sila sasaktan.